The overall goal of this experiment is to prepare unique supramolecular clusters selectively and characterize their symmetric features.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of supramolecular chemistry, such as design of supramolecules with specific symmetry. The main advantage of this technique is that structures or symmetry of unknown supramolecules are predictable from structures of their components.
To prepare binary organic salts, dissolve triphenylacetic acid, or TPAA, and the primary amine, ether N-butylamine, isobutylamine, T-butylamine, or T-amylamine, together in 20 milliliters of methanol in a TPAA to amine molar ratio of 1:1. See the text protocol for preparation in the case of ternary organic salts. Evaporate all of the solutions by rotary evaporators, affording the organic salts. To prepare single crystals composed of supramolecular clusters, dissolve 5.0 milligrams of each of the organic salts in a glass vial in 0.30 milliliters of toluene as a nonpolar good solvent. Toluene was selected because the supramolecular clusters are preferably constructed in a nonpolar environment. For the organic salts, heat toluene up to 40 degrees Celsius to dissolve them. Add hexane to the solution of the organic salts as a pore solvent to decrease solubility of the organic salt, except for the solution of the organic salt TPAA-T-butylamine. Keep the solution stable at room temperature in the glass vial, affording single crystals within a day. Measure Fourier transform